Okay, I'm sorry for disturbance. Okay, so I start with this recurrence relation, chapter number 6 to over here. Chapter number 6, recurrence relation. Right? Okay, so recurrence relation, let me define first. What is recurrence relation? Recurrence relation for the sequence AK is an equation that expresses n in terms of one or more of the previous terms of the sequence, namely A0, A1, A2 to n minus 1 for all integers with n greater than or equal to n0, where this n0 is non-negative integer. Non-negative integer यानी non-negative integer यानी maybe 0, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. Okay. All positive integers including 0, right? So this is called recurrence relation. This sequence means, see this here written this bracket AK. Okay, this means what? If you take this k equal to 0, start from 0. K equal to 0, then this will be A0. K equal to 1, then this will be A1. Okay. K equal to 2, then 2. A2, A3, A4, like that, and so on. A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. These are the called terms of the sequence. This is called sequence. AK, here K start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This in the bracket AK, this is called sequence. This is called sequence. The recurrence relation, what is recurrence relation? Recurrence relation you will write in terms of these terms A0, A1, A2, A2, previous terms. Okay, previous term. Now see here, see the solution of recurrence relation. The sequence is called a solution of recurrence relation if terms satisfy the recurrence relation. Okay. Now let me start from here. If you have this, let AK, this sequence AK, be a sequence that satisfies the recurrence relation. Recurrence relation here मौजूद is. This is recurrence relation. This example. Recurrence relation here AN equal to AN minus 1 and minus AN minus 2. This is the recurrence relation. Okay. And this is recurrence relation for n equal to 2. Start from here 2. N equal to 2. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 like that. Right? And suppose here given, and suppose this module is 0 equal to 3, A1 equal to 5, other module in the question. Okay, this module in the question. What is the you have to find this what are A2 and A3? What are A2 and A3? Right? What are A2 and A3? Look, see the solution here. Recurrence relation, no. This is called the recurrence relation. Recurrence relation. This an equal to an minus 1 minus a minus 2. This is the recurrence case. So you have to find this. See this. You have to find this one. A2 equal to what? A3 equal to what? You have to find this. See here मौजूद, A0 मौजूद, A1 मौजूद. So you have to find this A2 and A3. This is the question. See this recurrence relation. If we take n equal to 2, what will happen? N equal to 2 means here is n. N equal to 2, yani here 2. This equal to here n इसावी 2. 2 means 2 minus 1. Here minus मौजूद. A here 2. 2 minus 2. It's okay. In the recurrence relation, तब्दील कुल्लो n इसावी 2. Kulla n take to n equal to 2. Here n equal to 2, here n equal to 2, and here n equal to 2. Because you have to find this A2. See, if you here take n equal to 2, then here is A2. Okay? And here what? A2 equal to, what is here? A is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 come A1. And here मौजूद A is 2 minus 2. Then sorry with name. This is the cipher. This equal to what? No. A1. Here मौजूद A1. And A1 मौजूद in the question here. A1 मौजूद here. A1 equal to 5. This A1 equal to 5. Minus A1 equal to 5. Here मौजूद in the question. A1 equal to 5. And minus A0. A0 means this. A0 मौजूद in the question. A0 equal to 3. This is 3. This equal to what? 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So this A2 equal to 2 here. Okay. Now you have to find this A3. You have to find A3. Take this n with 3. N equal to 3. So here in the recurrence relation, n with 3. What will happen here? N with 3 here. Hada n with 3. Yani 3 minus 1. And here minus a. This n with 3. 3 and minus 2. Right? Equal to what? A3 equal to here A3 minus 1. A3 minus 1 yani A2 minus here A3 minus 2 yani A1. It's okay? A1. Now look here. It's equal to what? Here मौजूद A2 and A2 हिना मौजूद. So A2 here मौजूद. 2 minus A1. A1 मौजूद in the question. A1 here मौजूद. A1 equal to 5. A1 equal to 5. Okay. 2 minus 5 equal to minus 3. This is minus 3. Okay. A3 equal to minus 3. Right? A0 मौजूद in the question here. A1 मौजूद in the question here. You have to find this A2 and A3. You have to find A2. So take n usavi 2 here. Okay? Yes. Very simple. Now come to the next question. here you have to find this A2 and A3. Okay, so here n equal to 2, you will find this way, right? Now see here, example number 2 here. This is the sequence AK, a sequence that satisfies the recurrence relation. Here recurrence relation this, not the recurrence relation. Sorry, yes, this is the recurrence relation. N equal to 3, n minus 1 minus n minus 2. Okay, let me write here recurrence relation. Example. Here let me write this example here. Is मौजूद an. See this. An equal to 3. A here n minus 1 minus a n minus 2. This one. Or n equal to 2, 3. Then n equal to, then it start equal to 2, 3, 4 like that. This way. And here again look here. A0 equal to 3, A1 equal to 5 मौजूद in the question. Here A0 equal to 3 and A1 equal to 5 is मौजूद in the question. And you have to find this again. A2 and A3. You have to find A2 and A3. Right? How to find A2 and A3? Same way here. You have to find this way. Like this. N equal to 2 first. This recurrence relation here put. Low n तब्दील 2. So here n equal to 2 यानी this 2. This n is with 2. This equal to a. Here n मौजूद. N is with 2 and minus 1. Here minus n equal to 2. 2 and minus 2. Right? Equal to what? A1 minus here A0. Is equal to what? A1 मौजूद in the question. Look over here. A1 equal to 5 minus A0. A0 come. I'm sorry, here this is 3 मौजूद. 3 here. I'm sorry, 3. This is 3 मौजूद. 3. This one 3 multiply 5 minus A0. A0 means this one 3 is equal to what? 3 multiply 15. 3 multiply 5 यानी 15 minus 3 equal to 12. So A2 equal to this 12. Same way you have to find A3. Okay. Take here n equal to 3. You put here in this relation. N is with 3. Here A3 equal to 3 the A n is with 3. 3 minus 1 and minus here. Here 3 minus 2 here. See here n is with 3. 3 minus 2. So this is equal to what? 3 multiply A. 3 minus 1. This is 2. Minus here. Here 3 minus 2. This is 1. Okay. What is this? This equal to 3 multiply A2. And A2 you have solved this. A2 equal to what here? 12. 12 and minus A1. What is A1? A1 मौजूद here in the question. A1 is 5. A1 is 5. Right? Is equal to what? 3 multiply 12. 36 and minus 5 here. Equal to come 30. So A3 equal to 31. problem is there? It's very simple. You have to put very simple. Okay. Next example. See this example. Find the first 5 terms of the sequence. Find by each of this recurrence relation. Find total 5. First you tell me what is the first 5 terms. First 5 terms is this. A0 this number 1. A1 this number 2. A2 this number 3. A3 this number 4. A4 this number 5. See this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 terms. You have to find these 5 terms. 5 terms. Okay. See the relation here. Number 1 here maujood. Number 1 relation hala. An equal to 6. An minus 1. Right? And here maujood A0 maujood. A0 equal to 2 maujood. Right? So come kullu bagi. This question number 1 here. Question number 1 this. It is the recurrence relation. Yet A0 equal to 2 maujood in the question. So now look here. A0 equal to 2 is maujood. You have to total 5. You have to find this total 5. Come here to here. Ada kullu khamsa. This A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. This 5. This maujood here. Here maujood. Can you see this? A0 maujood. So come bagi. Bagi hada. A1, A2, A3, A4. Hada bagi. So start from here. A1. A1 means like this. N is V1. Here what? This N. This N is 1. A1 equal to 6. And here what? This N. N is V1. 1. And nakis 1 maujood here. It's equal to what? 6. Third. A. That is 1. Salig 1. Come. 0. A suffix 0. Okay. And this equal to what? 6. The A0. See this. A0 hina maujood already. A0 is V2. Okay. Ada. 2. A0 2 here. This equal to what? 6 plus 2 yani 12. This A1 easy. Ada easy. A1 equal to 12. Now bagi this A2. A2. For A2 what to do? Take N is V2 and put here. This N is V2. Here is equal to 6. Third. Ada N is V2. A 2 minus 1. This equal to what? 6. A is 2 and minus 1. Come. 7. This equal to what? Is 6 multiply. Is A1. A1 see this. A1. A1. A1 is how we come here. Ada A1. This is 12. Is equal to what? 72. 6 multiplied 12 equal to 72. Right? After that, so this A2 is easy. A1 is easy. A0 maujood hada. A1 maujood here 12. And A3. A3 maujood 72. Come bagi. A2. A2 maujood 72. Bagi this. A3. For A3 what to do? N equal to 3. Here A3 equal to 6. So this is N. An. An means 3 here. 3 minus 1. Is equal to what? 6 multiply 3 minus 1 yani 2. Is equal to 6 multiply A2. A2 means this 70. like this is equal to 432. This is the answer, right? Okay, is A3. What is left here? Now A3 मौजूद here. A3 मौजूद. 432. Okay. आगे this A4. So for the A4 here n equal to 4. So here in the recurrence relation A4 6 multiply A4 minus 1 here. So 6 multiply A3 is equal to what? 6 multiply A3. A3 मौजूद here. 432. 432. This equal to how much? 2592. This one. All easy here. Now, here A4 equal to, see the 5 terms, Hamsa terms below. Yes? A4 equal to 2592. So, A0 already मौजूद. Here in the question मौजूद. A0 मौजूद. So you start from here. You have to find 5, full of 5. So A0, A1, A2, A3. These are 5 terms. Okay. A0 already मौजूद in the question. You start from here. A1. A1 means A Nisabi 1. Put here. A2 means A Nisabi 2. Put here. Baden Hada. Mojud. A1, A2, A3, A4. Right? This is the question number 1. Same way, you can solve question number 2 here. Same way you can solve this. Question number 2. Right? Here what? A0 मौजूद, A1 मौजूद, A2 मौजूद. Come back. बाकी A3, A4, A3, A4 बाकी. Now put A Nisabi Arba. Here Arba. You will get this. Number 2. 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 मौजूद. यानी चलाता मौजूद. Start from 3. 3 and bottom 4. You will get this. Okay. So today I will stop here. Any question? They ask me. Do you have any question? I will stop here today.